15 Common phrases women say that men often misunderstand. Introduction. Communication between men and women can sometimes be challenging, as different individuals may interpret the same words differently. Women, in particular, are known to express themselves in subtle ways that can be easily misinterpreted by men. In this article, we will explore 15 phrases commonly spoken by women that men often misunderstand. By shedding light on these phrases and their underlying meanings, we hope to bridge the communication gap and foster better understanding in relationships. 1. I'm fine. This seemingly innocuous phrase often implies the opposite. When a woman says she's fine, it might indicate that something is bothering her. Rather than taking this statement at face value, men should recognize it as an invitation to inquire further and offer support. 2. Do whatever you want. While this may sound like an open invitation to make independent decisions, it often suggests that the woman wants her partner to consider her feelings and opinions before making a choice. It's an opportunity for collaboration rather than a blank slate for decision-making. 3. I don't need anything. This statement doesn't necessarily mean a woman is completely self-sufficient. Instead, it can be a subtle way of expressing the desire for her partner to show care and thoughtfulness without explicitly asking for something. 4. You don't have to do that. When a woman says this, it doesn't necessarily mean she doesn't want you to do something. In fact, she may appreciate the gesture and secretly desire you to go ahead and do it, even if she doesn't explicitly say so. 5. I'm not mad. Often used when a woman is upset or annoyed. Saying she's not mad is an attempt to avoid escalating the situation. Men should recognize that further exploration might be necessary to address any underlying issues. 6. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. This phrase is infamous for its inherent delay. Men should understand that it usually implies a longer time frame, and exercising patience is key. Offering to assist or understanding her need for preparation can go a long way. 7. It's okay. While this phrase may imply that everything is fine, it might actually indicate that she's not entirely okay with the situation. Men should be attentive to her tone and nonverbal cues to gauge if further discussion or reassurance is needed. 8. I don't want to talk about it. When a woman says this, it's crucial to respect her boundaries. However, it's essential to express your support and willingness to listen when she's ready. Giving her space while assuring her of your availability can help build trust. 9. You never listen to me. This statement reflects a woman's desire for active engagement and genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Men should strive to be attentive listeners and actively participate in conversations to foster better understanding. 10. You should know why I'm upset. While it may seem unfair to expect mind reading, this phrase implies that she wishes her partner to understand her emotions without needing explicit explanation. It's an opportunity to demonstrate empathy and attentiveness. 11. I don't care. Don't be misled by the words alone. This phrase often signifies that she does care but may be attempting to downplay her feelings to avoid conflict. Men should approach the situation with sensitivity and seek to understand her underlying concerns. 12. We need to talk. When a woman says this, it indicates the need for a serious conversation. It's crucial to provide undivided attention and create a safe space for open dialogue. Being present and actively listening will strengthen the connection. 13. You decide. While it may appear like an easy way out, this phrase actually suggests that she wants her partner to take the initiative and make a thoughtful decision. It's an opportunity for men to showcase their leadership skills and consider their partner's preferences and needs in the decision-making process. 14. I'm not interested in dating right now. When a woman expresses this sentiment, it's important to take it at face value. She may genuinely not be interested in dating or may be uncertain about pursuing a romantic relationship. Respect her feelings and give her the space she needs. 15. "I don't need any help." Although it may seem like she doesn't require assistance, women often appreciate the gesture of support and care. Men should recognize that behind these words might be a desire for them to ask and show concern, demonstrating their willingness to lend a helping hand. Conclusion: understanding and effective communication are vital in any relationship. By recognizing the nuances behind common phrases spoken by women, men can bridge the gap in comprehension and foster healthier connections. The key lies in active listening, empathy, and being attentive to nonverbal cues. By striving to understand the underlying meanings and needs behind these phrases, men can strengthen their relationships and create a more harmonious and fulfilling connection with the women in their lives.